Welcome to the first episode of a 3-series videos that I'm making with my brother Bestia. This series will give you basic exercises to make you understand if you're ready to start practicing power moves. This first episode will be about coordination, the second one will be about strength, and the third one will be about flexibility. If you can do the exercises we show in these 3 videos, you're ready to start your power moves journey. If you want to learn power moves, me and my brother Bestia made a basic power move video course. The link is in the description. This video course is for beginners or for those who want to have stronger basics. In the course we go over the backspin, the windmill, the head spin and the halo. Plus we are going to show you exercises to improve your power move mobility and control. If you want to start your power moves journey, make sure to check out the video course that I made with my brother Bestia, link in the description, and see you next time with a new video. Yo ninjas!